Trying to consciously lower your vertical oscillation usually makes you less efficient, not more. Here is how to actually use that data. Many runners treat metrics like vertical oscillation and ground contact time like a report card, trying to force the numbers lower. But your running form is a unique signature, largely determined by your height, limb length, and tendon stiffness. When you consciously try to minimize your bounce or rush your foot off the ground to hit a norm, you often decrease your running economy. You end up burning more oxygen trying to look efficient than you save by actually being efficient. Instead of training targets, view these metrics as a dashboard of warning lights. We shouldn't try to change them directly. We should monitor them to understand our stability and efficiency limits. The real value is in the intra-run change, or drift. If your ground contact time suddenly spikes 20 minutes into a tempo run while your pace stays the same, it means your muscular spring system is failing. This is called decoupling. When your pace line remains flat, but your GCT trends upward, you are moving from elastic energy to muscular force. This is your cue to end the hard session before form breaks down completely. Secondly, watch your ground contact balance. This is your early warning system for injury. A sudden shift from your normal 50-50 split to something like 48-52 often appears on your watch days before you feel actual pain. Finally, use these numbers to test gear. If a new pair of shoes significantly alters your stiffness or vertical ratio compared to your baseline, that shoe's geometry might be fighting your natural mechanics. Don't train to hit a specific number. Train to keep your numbers stable. If they drift during a run, you're tired. If they shift between runs, you might be injured. Use the data to listen to your body, not to dictate to it. Watch the trends, ignore the noise, and keep running smart.